Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, power off your PS5 controller completely. This is crucial to prevent any accidental inputs during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the controller. There are 4 screws that need to be removed. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic prying tool to separate the back cover from the front. Be cautious, as there are clips that may snap if too much force is applied. Slowly work your way around the edges until the back cover pops off. Now you will see the internal components of the controller. Take a moment to inspect for any dust or debris. If you notice any, use a soft cloth or compressed air to clean the interior. This will help ensure optimal performance after the repair. Next, locate the joystick module. It is typically secured with a few screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find it difficult to reach certain screws, a magnetic screwdriver can be very helpful. Once the screws are out, gently lift the joystick module from its housing. If you're unsure about the process or don't have the right tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Now, take your new joystick module and align it with the housing. Press it down gently to ensure it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws to secure the joystick in place. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the module. After securing the joystick, it's time to reassemble the controller. Align the back cover with the front and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the 4 screws on the back to secure the cover. Before testing the controller, it's a good idea to check for any leftover screws or parts. If everything looks good, power on your PS5 controller and test the new joystick. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. In summary, replacing the joystick on your PS5 controller is a straightforward process if you have the right tools and follow these steps carefully. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember that we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have all the information you need before making a decision. Enjoy your gaming experience with your newly repaired controller. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.